Okay. Good job. Very good. Where's the E? Very good. Hey Dada, can you turn the light on? Thank you. Where's the T? Do you know where the T is, Gia? That's not T, that's D. Close. What letters do you know? B. What sound does B make? Very good. Where's the O? Very good. Good job. Where's the W? Where's the W? Go get it. That's it. You're right. Very good. No, that was it. It's this one. Turn it around. There. Where's the R? Can you find it? Nope, that's F. Very good. Press it. That's a Q.